Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme 10 Pro Plus smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, okay, try again. You can see try again in 28 seconds. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone, slide down to power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power key together like this. Just press and hold the volume down and power key together like this. And now release. So you can see now here to select language. Now volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature. So you can see select the language. So here you can see format data, reboot device and power off. So just select the format data. So here you can see please enter verification code. Here you can see please enter verification code 0575. Enter it 0575, and you can see all user data will be reset. Now just tap on format. So you can see wiping, please wait. So you can see data formatted. Here you can see now tap on OK. Okay guys, now the phone is successfully hard reset, and after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device. And after hard reset, when it asks for password, tap on skip and use previously logged in Google account to unlock your phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme 10 Pro Plus smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.